evaluate the 2017 Dodge Durango RT. Obviously V8. This has the MRT 3-inch 304 stainless steel exhaust with the street performance resonators. Let's go for a ride. Kind of the gentle cruising around town. Definitely has a V8 sound. Sounds pretty tough and ready. Not harsh, not obnoxious. Just wants to start to get some resonance around 1800 RPM, but so far hasn't really materialized into anything. And when it goes into displacement on demand, you can hear a change in the exhaust note, pretty typical. Alright, so we're going to do a little acceleration here. Yep, that's American V8 sound. That's good sound. Definitely gives a bigger exhaust presence than the image of the vehicle portrays, which is a lot of fun. Gives you a little sleeper advantage. So my overall rating of drone is that it's probably a 3 out of 10. At just a couple periods of RPM range, which means you can identify it. It doesn't live in that space for very long, so you can kind of drive through it. It's not harsh, uncomfortable, doesn't make you want to get out of the vehicle. So it's there, but livable, in my opinion.